Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the ING, you can sign up for internet banking directly from your mobile phone. First, start by downloading the official ING app from your app store. Then, open the app and select the option to become a customer or register for on internet banking. Then, click on the new customer option and then you're going to enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your identification documents. You'll be asked to verify your identity using your phone number and ID. Follow the on-screen steps to create your own login details and security settings. Once registration is complete, you can log in and start using your ING internet banking right away, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.